Our technology tells our story. A story of women and men who transcend the boundaries of innovation every day in Willemin, in the heart of the Swiss Jura. Linking our customers' inspiration to our unique technologies, our machining solutions offer a wide range of possibilities. We participate in the realization of your industrial vision with complete autonomous and communicating systems. The challenges of Industry 4.0 are fully integrated into our thinking, particularly through robotic systems, interfaces and unique software that we develop to ensure the best user experience. Collaborative creation, design and support are what make us different. For more than 45 years, pursuing our quest for precision, we have been recognized as a leading innovator in customized machining solutions. We're constantly working to optimize our range of products and services. We give meaning to design by combining performance with user comfort. We're in constant contact with our clients, and we develop concrete solutions based on the experience we acquire. Today, we're a supplier of custom machining centers in more than 20 countries. Whether we're active in the fields of watchmaking, jewelry, medical or aeronautics, we're distinguished by our commitment to long-term performance. We're at our customers' side to offer them personalized support throughout the life cycle of their machine. Our training center brings together more than 20 passionate apprentices. Together, we build the future. With nearly 350 talented employees united by common roots, we create trusting relationships with our customers. Sustainability and the environment are among our central concerns and are reflected in all our projects. We believe in inclusivity and cultivating our expertise. Together, we are Willemin Macodel.